This is Vince Monteleone, co-founder of LapKing. We're out at Village Creek Motocross Park. It's Texas Winter Series, and we're doing the first episode of LapVibes. Today, up for grabs, we got 2 fresh sets of 100% goggles. Lucky winners is gonna take home some awesome product from Ride 100% Goggles. Bam.
Hey man, Tim Ellis from Moody, Texas.
Bill Van Dyke from Temple, Texas.
Tegan Hamilton, Fort Worth, Texas. We got Brandon Yates, baby. We got Brandon Walter. Said he's gonna take that LapKing away from T-Painter, baby. What was that? 146.3. Just snagged that LapKing, huh?
Yep. Getting there. You're the LapKing right now. Hold on.
Nice.
We can crown you. Oh, I could get my hat back.
You got me.
Yeah, LapKing.
I got it,
10, I'll take it, man. We can work on that.
Brandis. Alright, Dalton Dyer about to find out.
I think I got her. Get it. If we don't get it now, we're coming back next week. Damn, he got it. I didn't get it.
I didn't get it.
It wasn't me.
It wasn't me.
Dang.
Oh, what?
I tied him.
No way.
1.545. Alright. I don't really care.
Goggles are goggles, eh?
Dude, I don't know. I was giving it me.
145.5. We got a tie today. LapVibes episode 1. Woo! Appreciate it. Ride 100% for the support. Yeah, yeah.